Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable credit monitoring notifications from TransUnion, full guide step by step clearly. To disable credit monitoring notifications from TransUnion, start by launching your web browser. Visit the TransUnion website. Log into your TransUnion account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the notifications or alerts option. Click on this option to view your notification preferences. Locate the credit monitoring notifications you wish to disable. Toggle the setting off or uncheck the box next to these notifications. Review any other alerts to ensure they are set to your preference. After making your changes, scroll down and click on Save or Update. You will receive a confirmation message that your settings have been updated. If you prefer disabling notifications via mobile, open the TransUnion app. Log in to your account within the app. Tap on the settings icon, often found in the upper corner. Select Notifications from the settings menu. Turn off the credit monitoring alerts by toggling the appropriate switch. Confirm any prompts that may appear to finalize your changes. For further assistance, consider contacting TransUnion's customer service. You can reach them through the phone number or live chat option on their website. This completes the process of disabling credit monitoring notifications from TransUnion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.